Comsteel is one of Australia's major steelmakers and the largest producer of the special steel bar products that are essential to every field of industry. Each one of the many grades of bar products produced by Comsteel has been specially formulated to meet a specific engineering purpose. This large diameter trunnion bolt, for example, is being machined from one of Comsteel's alloy engineering steels. Like many industrial products, it needs the high strength and toughness provided by these steels. Another bar product, one of Comsteel's case hardening steels, is used at this automotive transmission plant to produce crown wheels. These steels combine high surface hardness with a strong, tough core. In moulds and dies, the exceptionally high polish and hard and wear-resistant features of Comsteel's tool and die steels are essential features. These automotive engine valves are being formed from one of Comsteel's heat-resisting steels. These special grade steels resist scaling and have a high strength at elevated temperatures. Corrosion resistance is an essential requirement in marine, aviation, food processing and chemical plants and many other industries. Comsteel's stainless steel bars ensure maximum resistance to many forms of corrosion. Every one of these Comsteel special steels starts its life in one of these electric furnaces with a charge of specially selected and graded steel scrap. Large electrodes are lowered into the furnace and electric current passed through them. These electrodes generate enormous heat by arcing with the scrap, which melts into a molten mass in a process taking several hours. Various elements are then added depending on the grade of steel being made. Special steels are highly complex formulations and can contain nickel, chromium, molybdenum, vanadium and tungsten, as well as other components. During the melt, frequent samples are taken from the furnace and sent direct to the Comsteel laboratory. Here the sample is immediately analysed in a direct reading emission spectrometer or X-ray spectrometer. The analysis is teleprinted to the steelmaker at the furnace so that he can make any necessary additions to the steel to match the required specification. With the steel composition checked and the melt completed, the furnace is tapped into a transfer ladle. The ladle is then moved into the vacuum degassing plant, where the molten steel is processed to remove unwanted hydrogen and oxygen which would otherwise be trapped in the steel and form harmful inclusions or defects. Further alloying elements can also be added under vacuum at this stage to ensure the steel matches the required specification. Following the vacuum degassing of the molten steel, ingots are bottom poured from the ladle. This bottom pouring technique ensures the cleanliness of the steel as well as good surface condition of the ingot. Some special steels are refined even further in this electroslag refining unit. The electroslag refining process and the subsequent controlled solidification result in a high purity and homogeneous product with a greatly improved service performance. ESR product is characterised by a significant increase in fatigue properties, transverse ductility and fracture toughness. The production process to this point is similar to other Comsteel special steels, but now the ingots that will become billets or bar products are reheated in a walking beam furnace. They are heated to 1200 degrees centigrade for between 12 and 14 hours, depending on the grade of steel being heated. The red-hot ingots are then passed through the bloom mill, where they undergo their first reduction in size. The great pressure exerted by the bloom mill rolls also helps to improve the physical properties of the steel by closing up voids and breaking down the cast structure. The steel can be rolled directly onto the bloom mill to a size which is required by the customer. Bloom mill sizes are 80mm to 215mm diameter rounds, bars or the large size forging billets. The bloom mill also produces feed for the breakdown mill. The breakdown mill can produce intermediate sizes required by customers or can make an initial reduction to the steel before it passes to the merchant mill. Here a range of sizes are rolled down to 10mm in diameter. The various rolling stages provide bar stock in sizes ranging from 10 to 215mm in diameter, as well as a variety of squares, flats and hexagons. Bar products larger than 215mm in diameter can be supplied forged from this 50 meganewton press. They can be supplied in as-forged condition or can be rough machined to the customer's requirements. After rolling or forging, some bar products are reheated and quenched in tanks of oil or polymer quenchants. This process hardens the steel. The bars are then tempered by holding them in another furnace at a lower temperature, which reduces the hardness and the tensile strength, but significantly increases the toughness of the steel. Comsteel also produces a range of normalised, annealed and stress-relieved steels. At every stage of production, strict quality control procedures are carried out on the bar products. This ultrasonic test will detect any internal defects. Eddy current testing is used to detect surface defects in cold finish products such as cold-sized, turned and smooth ground bars. Magnetic particle testing is also carried out on aircraft quality, ordnance quality and critical safety components. Comsteel bar products are tested by this portable spectrometer as a final check to show that it is the correct grade and specification. In the quality control laboratory, samples from every batch of heat-treated bar products are subjected to further testing, such as in this tensile strength test and this Jomini test, which measures the hardenability of the steel in order to meet specified hardnesses during heat treatment. A wide variety of other chemical and physical test procedures are also carried out in Comsteel's NATA-approved laboratories. Depending on their size, the various bar products are now cut to length on shears or saws. Some customers prefer to buy their steel in a convenient form where some further operation on the surface, such as this cold sizing operation, has been done by Comsteel. These surface operations can also include shot blasting, bar turning and centreless grinding. Centreless ground bars are packed in boxes to prevent damage to the surface during shipment. Then the final touch. Every black bar is colour-coded to show the grade of steel and to ensure easy and positive identification. The result is a range of alloy and stainless steel bar products manufactured to internationally recognised standards to meet the local and overseas requirements for special steels. Comsteel bar products are supplied to industry throughout a network of franchise distributors throughout Australia and New Zealand. These distributors supply their customers with a full special steel service, including cutting bars to order, carrying stocks of standard grade bars, as well as providing a delivery function. Distributors can provide customers with technical advice on bar products, but if required, they can call on the services of Comsteel's highly trained technical staff to assist with any bar products inquiry. In addition, Comsteel's marketing and development personnel provide distributors and other groups with regular information on new grades and developments in the bar products area. Comsteel also publishes a wide range of literature to provide customers with technical information on their full range of products. This information and technical service is backed by a continuing research and development program at Comsteel's Newcastle laboratories. This program is amplified by access to the extensive product and research facilities of the BHP Group, one of the world's largest steel manufacturers. This association, together with overseas contacts, enables Comsteel to maintain its position at the forefront of special steels technology. This forward-looking philosophy ensures that Comsteel can anticipate and meet the needs of its customers as advancing industrial technology and developments create demands for new special steels. In engineering, aircraft manufacture, general industry, automotive plants, defence industries, in mining and the development of natural resources, and in the vital areas of energy production. Today and in the future, Comsteel's special steel bar products will be ready to meet the needs of industry.